3. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Come on, Mother. You need some help?
Yeah, I need a bit of help, boys. Both boys. Thanks.
All right, happy birthday.
Now that you're older.
Okay, who wants what cupcake?
No, you decide. I'll take the middle.
You take the middle one, big guy? Okay. Alex, which cupcake would you like?
Let's see, I could take this. Actually, I'll take this. It's really squished.
It's really squishy.
Or maybe actually I'll take this one since it doesn't have that much candle wax on it. Picky decisions. But it's Mom's birthday.